Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Thursday, July 2nd. So, first and foremost, Friday, July 3rd is a legal holiday. Markets are closed for 4th of July, Independence Day celebration. So, no morning brief on Friday. We'll see you Monday morning. So, what's going on the calendar? Well, we had some red items here at 8:30. Average hourly earnings came in at 0.3%, which was expected. That's a good number. Non-farm employment change, 57,000 versus 114. That is a bad number. This is saying, hey, the labor market's not as great as we thought it was. Unemployment rate dropped slightly. That's also a good thing. 4.2 versus 4.3 expected. Unemployment claims, 215 versus 219. That's definitely within the margin of error. So doesn't really mean much at all. At 10 o'clock, we have factory orders month over month. We have at 10:30 natural gas storage, and that is it for the day. So big fireworks going off here at 8:30 this morning, and the market did react positively, at least for the moment. We'll have to wait and see. Moving on, daily chart. Yesterday was a doji day, so rare that you have a doji day. They're not very common where you have the open and the close exactly. It means indecision is what that's saying. We are above the moving averages, all of the moving averages. We're above the trend line. We're bumping against this upper trend line. See if we can get above that. Where could we go? Again, I think we could at least test 7,600. Maybe even go as high as 76.48. On the bottom side, we're going to test those moving averages for sure, 74.94. And if we could get some momentum down to the bottom, we can probably get down into just below 7,400 if we have a crazy day. Volume was right at average, which is actually about what I would expect on a no decision day. Exactly average volume, no movement up or down. Intraday inventory, we had, again, you can see the price was very close to the open, to the close, basically flat, and we had positive inventory. That would be a bullish sign because people are continuing to buy even though price did not go up. I don't know how they're continuing to do this, but they are. Moving on, looking at the overnight action, approximately 55 points. A ton of that came right here on that big spike with that news. 55 is well above average, about 2 times average. That is 22 to 25. We talk about this all the time. Volatility is still very high. Where do we have resistance on the top side? 75.87, 75.92, 7,600, the big whole number, 76.08. And then we get into really undocumented territory. So what do we have? Support. We've got a decent amount of confluence right around 75.05, 7,500, 75.80-ish, 74.70, 74.44. There has been also some area right around 74.50 that has been support as well. It's not showing up on this, but I noticed that there. If we get below that, 74.24, 74.10 has a couple of areas right around that as well, 74.00, the whole number. Stock Traders Almanac, it's 47.6% chance the market will be up today. So a negative bias for the second day of July, right before the July 4th holiday. Again, no morning brief tomorrow. We'll see you on Monday. Happy trading, and remember to subscribe and like. See ya. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.